Hello student, hope you all are good and doing well. Myself Diksha Rai. This is your subject teacher of General Knowledge from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So student, today we are going to learn about chapter number 3, that is aquatic animal. What is it? It is aquatic animal. So student, now we are going to learn about aquatic animal. Aquatic animal. So please turn over the page number 8. Subject General Knowledge, chapter number 3. That is aquatic animal. What is it? It is aquatic animal. So student, first we shall learn about an aquatic animal. Do you know that what is aquatic animal? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animal. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animal. What is it? It is aquatic. Firstly, student, now we are learn about an aquatic animal. Do you know that what is aquatic animal? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animal. What is aquatic animal? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animal. So student, I have some important notes for you. What is it? It is important notes for you. I shall send this note by PDF in your WhatsApp group. Many insects such as mosquitoes, mayflies, dragonflies and caddisflies have aquatic larvae with winged adults. Aquatic animals are those animals that live in underwater. So student, now we are going to read about aquatic animal. What is it? It is aquatic animal. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animal. Many insects such as mosquitoes, dragonflies, mayflies, caddisflies have aquatic animals with winged adults. Aquatic animals are those animals that live in underwater. What is it? It is living underwater. So student, now your next topic from this chapter, it is what are the features of aquatic animal? What are the features of aquatic animal? So now, head is blunt and tail is long. Aquatic animals' head is blunt and tail is long. The body is provided with air sacs or air bladder so that they do not sink when they stop swimming. They do not sink when they stop swimming. They have paired and unpaired fins. They have paired and unpaired fins, and flippers are paddles and legs for swimming. Fins, flipper are paddles, swims for swimming. They have gills as a respiratory organ. They have gills as a respiratory organs. So student, now we are going to learn about your next topic, that is what are the importance of aquatic animal. What is it? It is what are the importance of an aquatic animal. So now your next topic is what are the importance of aquatic animal. Every living organism has an important role to play and many an indispensable. Every living organism has an important role to play and many are indispensable. Our aquatic wildlife are important sources of food. Our aquatic wildlife is an important source of food, energy, jobs, atmospheric oxygen, buffers against new diseases. So student, pests and predators are protection against food and global climate change. So now student, we are going to learn about your next topic. What do aquatic animal? What do aquatic animal? And student, before we start this topic, firstly we have to learn about what are the examples of aquatic animals. Examples of aquatic animal include fish, jellyfish, starfish, crocodiles, crabs, rays, etc. So student, now we are going to start your chapter that is look like. So student, your chapter name is aquatic animal. Firstly we are going to read about jellyfish. What is it? It's jellyfish. So student, now we are going to discuss about jellyfish, how it looks like. They have soft bodies and long stinging venomous tentacles that they are used to catch their prey. Usually small plankton animals or small circumstances or tiny fish. Some jellyfish hunt others by stinging. Seals are called nematocysts. A jellyfish is 97% water. A jellyfish is 97% water. Now your next topic is starfish. What is it? It is starfish. Starfish are amine invertebrates. They typically have a control disc, are usually 5 arms. Some species have a longer number of arms. Some species have a longer number of arms. The aboral or upper surface may be smooth, granular or spiny and is covered with overlapping plates. It's covered with overlapping plates. Now your next topic is seahorse. Have you seen seahorse? Yes or no? You will find seahorses in the world's tropical and temperate coastal water swimming upright among weed and other plants. Seahorses, their black fins to propel slowly forward, and a female seahorses lays dozen, sometimes hundreds of eggs in a pouch on the male seahorse's abdomen. Now student, your next topic is dolphin. What is it? It's dolphin. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals that live in water but breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. What is it? But breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. They are remarkable creatures that have developed a form of sonar called echolocations of hunt and prey. They are very friendly and playful. Dolphins are carnivorous, mostly eating fish. What is dolphin? Dolphins are carnivorous, mostly eating fish. What is it? She eats fish mostly. So now student, I hope you will understand this chapter very well. Now I am giving you a home assignment. You have to do write some topics about aquatic animal, jellyfish, starfish, seahorse and dolphin. Thank you. Have a good day.